academic, and also the joint point regression analysis. For the SAS itself, we're not required to download the software. So it's based on the cloud system. We just need to sign up in the online. But for joint regression, we need to download it. So it's particularly important for all the participants to know that for SAS, it's online. So it's just like a studio online. But for R, we need to download it. So what you need in the SAS, you just need to create your account, and then it will refer you to the SAS studio. Then you can operate the system on that studio. Thank you. Uh, Demonstration about how to use the SAS. I will try to share my screen here. All right. Can you see my screen now? Yes. So basically here, it will be easy for you to just go for this website. I will just copy paste it in the chat here so you can just click it on it. So the first thing that you need to click is, if you don't have any account yet, you need to click the don't have a SAS profile, then create profile. You need to all right, here you need to fill all of the requirement form, such as the preferred language. Well, I will try to choose English, and then my first name, um, and then I'll try to make another account. Write your email here. Use another email. Okay. Country or region. You can put your country here. Where's Taiwan? Okay, here. Affiliation with SAS. So you can choose whether you're a student, professor, or you are a customer or user. So because you're a student here, so I choose student. SAS expertise level. Yep. You can choose what expertise you are in the SAS. I prefer, or you maybe can just choose, if you're really not familiar with SAS user, you can type, or you can click the non SAS user. And company or organization, you can just put your company. I will write my university here. Sorry. Chiao Kong University. Okay, and then you click yes for this required information, and you agree for the terms and condition. Then you just simply click the create profile. Okay, for this time, you need to stay in this page. Yes. Yep. After that, you need to go to your email to check and to verify your SAS profile. Okay. Now I will go to my email, but I will stop presenting it.
Once your account is created, they will send you a link to your email address, which you have to activate. And then with that, we can then further do the demonstration that we will be doing in 3 days, right? So.
Thank you, Laila. I would like to continue it. So I have done in confirming the email of the SAS in my email. So I will just share about my screen here. So right after you confirming the SAS in email, it will refer you to this page, which is the SAS profile, and you need to set up your password. Just password. Here's really important to always pay attention about the requirement of the password. So there will be like 8 characters, 1 lowercase letter and 1 uppercase letter with a symbol and also a number. So I missed one symbol here. Okay. Right, it's successfully created. So here is, I already have my SaaS profile. Now my profile is already activated. I just need to continue it here. We just need to click continue. Wait for something. So when you refer to this page, maybe if you're not finding where is the platform that you can refer to the SaaS Studio, you can just go back to the website that I passed before, which is the world. I will pass this now in the chat. This one. Okay. Wait a minute. All right, already copy paste the website. So here we can just click on accept the terms and then sign in. Perfect. So here, this is the page that you will see. So what you need to do is to click on the SaaS Studio. Click on it. Wait a minute for the initializing. And then done. Here is your SaaS Studio. So for the next class on the Monday and Tuesday, we will use this SaaS Studio. We'll practice using this system. Yep, I think that's enough, a short explanation about how to install the SaaS and the introduction. Thank you very much.
So now we will invite the other teaching assistant that we will have that day, Mr. Arnat. He will be showing us about the joint point software.
No, Edo.
Okay, Mr. Edo, we will invite you once again to show us about the joint point pro software. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. So now I want to present and to demonstrate you about how to download the joint point software analysis. First of all, you have received the email from our secretary, Venice, that already attached the website, the page for downloading the joint point. I will try to paste it again in the chat section. Wait a minute. Okay, here. All right. Now let's start to share my screen here. So after you click for that specific website, it will refer you for this page. What you need to do is just scroll down and then you need to fill all this form. So you need to click on agree the terms and use agreements, and then you need to write your email. I will try to guide you. So I will write my email again. And then you can choose your name, organization, type of organization, and choose academic, government, industry, or business. Here's I'm academic, country, choose Taiwan. And then can we email you about the software updates? For me, it's up to you. Basically, it's not really necessary, but if you want it, you can just click yes. And then you can request download here. So thank you for registering. After you submit for the forms, you will receive the email shortly to download the link of the joint point. So I will check my email now here. Because this the SaaS. Here, there's a new information, new email for the joint point admin. So what you need to do is to download the software here. The first URL. Yes, start download. Okay, good. You can check it on your download library here. And I will run for the program in my computer. Select additional task. You can choose between you want to make it as your desktop shortcut or not. And then next, and then install. Click install on it. And then finish. Done. Now you can check for the joint point regression analysis. Here. And just next step, next step, next step. If you need tips about a joint point, or you just can close it. And then you can make it big screen. And yeah, this is a joint point on the first screen. So when we want to analyze it or analyze the data, which is will be presenting on the Monday or on Tuesday, we will add a new session here. So keep in touch with us for the next session. Thank you. That's for the joint point regression download information.
Okay, thank you very much for that demonstration, Edo. And in today's meeting, you met Mr. Edo. He is the TA for one of the lessons and sessions. We also have the other TA, Mr. Arnett. And we also have a Spanish TA in case you need translation, like Dr. Orlando, you're from Nicaragua, correct? So if any chance you need some sort of translation, we will have Miss Lisa and also Miss Emily who will be helping us that day. They're both from Guatemala. Okay. And I am Lila, I am from Belize, and I will be our moderator that day. So nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you.